So to install the snare wires, we've got two sides of the snare drum. We've got the snare mechanism side and we've got the butt plate side. Okay, so you're going to lay your snare wires down onto the snare side head. Okay, and you'll have string or straps. Okay, so you're going to pass those through the gap in the hoop. Okay, both sides. Okay, now we'll start with the butt plate side, which is the opposite side to the snare mechanism. Okay, so you want to bring the end plate of the wires to the edge of the drum. Okay, just inside the edge. Okay, and then you want to put your string or straps through the plates. Okay, so you can loosen the tension rods. So they should already be loose because obviously you've removed the snare wires, but you can loosen them a bit more if they need some more. So you just need to put them in between the plates. Okay. Then you want to pull through and make sure there's an even amount of string or strap on both sides. Okay, so you want to pull them so they're about even. And then you can bring them round just to neaten them up before you tighten the plates. Okay, because otherwise you'll have kind of string hanging out of the plates. Okay, so you want to bring them back down so they're going towards the bottom of the snare drum. Okay, so make sure the end plate of the snare wires is just inside the edge of the head. Okay, then once they're there, you want to tighten the plates together by tightening the tension rods. Okay, so you can do it with your fingers first. Okay, so you can hold the straps that way, just to make sure they're still even. Once they're finger tight, you can use your drum key to tighten the plates to hold the strap or strings in place. Okay, then we move to the snare mechanism side. So you want to release the snare mechanism first, so it's in the off position, and then you want to reduce the tension in the snare mechanism as well. Okay, so you might have a little dial that you can loosen the tension of the snare mechanism. Okay, so you want to bring that right down to its minimum. Okay, and then you want to do the exact same with this side. So you want to put the string or straps through the plates. Okay, so you want to loosen the tension of the tension rods so there's enough space to pass through the string or straps. Okay, and then you want to make sure the string is even on both sides. You don't want a longer piece one side than the other. Okay, same with the straps. So pull them through, and you just want to pull them through with a bit of tension. Okay, so you want to make sure that these aren't loose. Okay, the snare wires aren't loose. You want to pull through with tension. Now, obviously, because you've loosened off the tension of the snare mechanism and you've turned the snare mechanism off, when you increase the tension and turn the snare mechanism on, that's obviously going to pull some tension into the wires. But you want to pull some initial tension into the wires before you tighten it into the plates at the loosest setting. Okay, so you want to pull through the string or straps, and then again you just want to tighten the plates together by tightening the tension rods. Okay, so you can do it with your fingers first just to get it in initial position. And when you pull the wires across into the snare mechanism side, you just want to make sure the snare wires are straight. Okay, you don't want to be pulling it across at an angle. Okay, so make sure they're lining up nicely with the other side, so both end plates of the snare wires are kind of nice and parallel with the head. Okay, so pull through, get the plates to finger tight, and then you just want to tighten with a drum key to just keep them in place. Okay, and again you can tidy up the string or strap by bringing it back round so it's coming down towards the bottom of the snare drum. Okay, just to keep things neat and tidy. And then because we're tuning the snare drum to a kind of versatile all-round sound, you're just going to increase the tension on the snare mechanism to about halfway. Okay, so we'll start there and then just turn your snare mechanism on, and that will bring some tension into the snare wires, and that's going to pull the snare wires towards the snare mechanism side, which is why we started it further towards the butt plate side. Okay, so when the tension's increased, pull across, and you want to make sure both end plates of the snare wires aren't touching the shell. Okay, so they want to be on the just the drum head. Okay, so that's the snare wires installed.